Hey there, thanks for coming by. For today's video, I wanted to make a video showing my French tip glitter ombre process. I've done this a lot with a bunch of different kind of glitters, and I know that it is a popular idea. So you can see here, I have most of my nails finished, but I wanted to show you my process. So I left my middle nail blank for you. I am so excited to announce that Emily from Haus Nails has included me in her brand ambassadors. So I'm so excited to join her team. And for her birthday collection that came out a couple months ago, I chose this beautiful shade birthday suit, and it is just so beautiful, so fun. I have a discount code for you. I will leave that in the description. If you haven't tried out Haus Nails, you need to. They are so easy to use. Like, every dip that I've used from her is just amazing. Shimmer is gorgeous, glitters are gorgeous, definitely unique. And she's just the sweetest person ever. So follow her Facebook, follow Instagram, and definitely test out their products if you haven't already. All right, so if you noticed, I just applied my base to my nail and I dipped into just kind of the very tip of my nail into the glitter. And then now I'm just tapping on to kind of smooth out that transition. My goal is really just to try to create a very concentrated area of glitter at the tip and then slowly fade that as it gets closer to my cuticle edge. I am using Scarlet from Rebel Nail as kind of my nude. You can see I just tapped into there. I really like Scarlet. It is just like the softest clear pink. I don't really feel it is as pink as some people think. So I love using it for my ombres. Just dusting off some of that extra glitter, and then I'm just gonna go with the same process again. I'm just gonna speed this up a little bit so you can see. But again, just coating the nail fully. I'm going a little bit closer to my cuticle edge since this is my second pass. And so I'm just gonna tap that glitter back on here to really try to get a smooth transition. And then I poured my Scarlet into a cupcake liner and I'm just pouring it over. I feel like you just get a little bit smoother of an application, and I can really get into those areas next to my cuticle edge. So far, so good. Loving the way it looks. I'm gonna do one more coat here just to really make sure I have a good layers, and then also just a solid application of that glitter. I love vertical ombre. It's one of my favorite things to do ever. If you are new to my channel, I will link up above just kind of a how-to of in general dip process. Ombre, I think, is one of the first kind of easy things that I transitioned to outside of just doing a full dip of a color, and I love the process. You can use the similar process I'm using here to apply glitter like at the cuticle edge to have an opposite fade. I do that a lot as well. Cleaning up my cuticle edge, I have this awesome tool. It's a water marbling tool. A toothpick will work great. You guys, you don't feel like you need to go out and buy all these tools, but I will link this below. I'll also link all the other products I used and any discount codes that I may have. I love these Wet n Wild eyeshadow brushes from Amazon. They're super, super cheap. And Clear Glow, this jellyfish Clear Glow, I cannot talk. This jellyfish Clear Glow, I am just obsessed with. I feel like it's really clear for a clear dip powder. I know some people have issues with cloudy powders. Ritzy Dip's Glass is my by far favorite clear powder. And then they came out with a Clear Glow this summer called Jellyfish, and I immediately bought the largest size available because the quality is just there and it is so clear, and I just love a mani that can glow. So cleaning up my edges here. Anytime I use glitter, or actually anytime I just dip, I always cap in clear. This will really help when you're doing filing and shaping, just to make sure that it's getting to, you're not filing off any of that color. And I'm just gonna file and shape this off camera. And that is all, my friends. I just wanted to make this quick video. I hope it was helpful for you. Drop down in the comments anything you wanna see in the future, any questions you may have, and I hope you come back for future videos. Thank you so much. Be sure to like and subscribe, and have a great day, great morning, afternoon, whatever it may be for you. Love you, bye.